Hello friends, Vince Burlap here. Today we are again at an airport runway talking about a new Volkswagen. This time it is the new Volkswagen Passat. The Passat will only be available as a wagon. The sedan is gone. The whole Passat line is gone from the US anyway. Wagon or not, we are not getting this. Wait, aren't we going too far from the car? Oh no, here it is, good. Oh, there goes one of these 360 shots that usually make me sick to my stomach. Oh. In a successful attempt to save money, this new Passat wagon is based on the same platform as the 2024 Tiguan. The result is that both cars look very similar. Just like the Tiguan, the new Passat has IQ lights. I still have no idea what they are, but I still want them badly. The new Passat is a nice-looking wagon that will be 100% invisible in traffic. No one will know this is a new car. If you are shy, introverted, or don't like making waves and being noticed, this is the perfect car. This particular version is called Elegance. The Passat reminds you what version you bought as you step in case you forgot or thought you had purchased the vulgar or tacky model. It even comes with an umbrella hidden in the door in case you forgot to check the weather or just hate droplets of water falling from the sky onto your dumbfounded face. Volkswagen even came up with a name for their fancy seats. Ergo Active. It sounds modern and fancy, and I want that too. I want everything to be ergo active. The rear seats are not ergo active, they're just flat.